Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to paint a stream inside a forest using watercolors. For that I have taken an A5 size watercolor paper and I have drawn the outline of the picture whichever I had in my mind. So let's get started. As always, let us start with a light color first, that is yellow. And then let's begin giving the green color. As the object gets farther, it becomes lighter in value, so the distant trees look lighter. I am giving darker values to the regions which are closer. Then let's begin coloring the rocks. All the pigments I used for this painting are in the description box below, and also the links to the material that I am using is also given in the description box. I'm giving some darker reflections on the water. I'm using dark green mixed with grey for that. And also we'll add some ripples here and there on the water. So I think it's done. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click that like button if you did and subscribe for the BooBooPaintz channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.